Hey everyone, I'm Jordan and welcome back to Peak Adventures. It's time for your latest Carowinds Park update covering all the newest construction updates, ride changes, and what's coming next. Let's jump right into it. Over at the former site of Nihawk, not much has changed when it comes to removing the old footers or the former track from the Carolina sternwheeler. However, work has been steady. Crews have been busy creating a man-made embankment using excavated soil from the old pathway. This embankment now connects to the existing hill that was once part of the body of water underneath Nighthawk. Plus, they've placed many large boulders throughout the embankment to help shape the landscape. Camp Snoopy has seen quite a few exciting changes this week. First up, Snoopy's Racing Railway. The coaster train is now officially installed on the track. Inside the station, the control booth for the ride is now in place too. Paver work that we saw under construction last week looks to be complete. These new pavers start behind the construction walls near the Family Care Center and stretch all the way to the front entrance of Woodstock Whirlybirds. Additionally, a new construction wall has been added, positioned just behind the original construction wall that's been up for a while. With the new pavers done and this new wall in place, it's possible we'll see Peanuts Pirates and Woodstock Whirlybirds reopening soon. Moving on to Charlie Brown's River Raft Blast, great progress here too. Concrete has been poured into the rebar for the base of the ride, plus new rebar has gone into place to form the walls of the pool that the ride boats will float through. In Thrill Zone, Scrambler continues to make progress at its new home. Last week, the ride centerpiece was moved to the old Screenweaver location. Now, this week, more parts of the ride have arrived and gondolas are already attached to the ride centerpiece. Only one gondola remains behind the construction walls where Scrambler used to sit. Little by little, the old site is becoming clear. Meanwhile, at the former site of Rip Roarin Rapids, Carowinds is working on a brand new service road behind the Palladium. This road will help employees and essential personnel access different areas of the park as the space is reimagined. At the Traditions gift shop near the park entrance, brand new 2025 merchandise is now available. You'll find hoodies and t-shirts featuring bold 2025 lettering, and within that lettering is a silhouette of the Carowinds skyline. Also worth noting, the ride wait time signs for Thunderstriker and Afterburn are now operating again. It's unclear if they were broken before or if teams at Carowinds had not flipped the switch to power the signs on this season, but it's great to have them working again now. Lastly, Carowinds Spring Break event has officially concluded. That also means weekday operations will pause until May 23rd. While it's a bit of a break for now, don't worry. There's plenty of new entertainment coming soon. Starting May 24th, you can watch new shows like Snoopy's Talent Show Bonanza at Harmony Hall, Homegrown at the Crossroads Gazebo, and the Yacht Rockers and the Carolina Boardwalk. Plus, Carolina Harbor will officially open for the 2025 season on May 24th as well. And that's going to wrap it up for this week's Carowinds Park Update. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Carowinds updates. Until next time, keep exploring with Peak Adventures.